follow a process. Talk to 10 creators you know, ask them specifically for guidance on someone who can do X and give a specific description of what it is that you want solved. Speak to the 10 people that are recommended to you. Ask them the same questions. You don't need to ask, there's no magic question. Ask the 10 questions that, to each of them that you think is consistent and important to you. You will get a better idea about who is the right fit for you. You will learn more about your own process and your own judgment. You will practice judgment in people and reading people. So we do hiring for our clients, and one of the things that they find valuable is that we just bring a professional approach. We advertise, we do a job description, we vet CVs, we talk to references, we hold an interview process with set questions, and it's laborious. And one of the reasons why they hire us is because we do all the work. But you can do that in microcosm yourself as a creator and gain a lot of value from it. It sounds boring, but if you don't ask the same questions repeatedly in interviews or when you're vetting for an accountant, you have added an element of variation that makes one accountant a more enjoyable conversation because you riffed and you got on with them, and then you think they're better. And it turns out that actually you personally got on with them, that they had no idea what they're talking about.